Check out this Chrysler 2017 Pacifica Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC, rear air conditioning and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.